getting a job, being responsible and
Yeah,
things like that. Why weren't you that way on February 13th, the day before this happened? Xavier Curtis, come on up. There's a warrant for your arrest for failing to be here on time. We run this like a train station. We're the 22nd largest county with the 16th highest crime rate. We don't have time to wait on you. Everybody's got to be here on time and you pay a price when you're done. What happened?
my ride got canceled.
Who was going to help you?
My ride was supposed to be my auntie.
Okay, when did you find out about that?
I found out about that this morning.
Okay.
So
Give me a spot.
I tried to find me a ride, so I took
Right here, sir.
walking here.
Where do you live?
I stay on all the way down Sarah Street.
This says 2001 Roberts.
No, sir.
That's not your address?
That's not my address.
What is it?
My grandparents to move.
What's your
I
address?
stay at 4115 Flamingo.
Okay, in Beaumont.
Yes, sir, in Beaumont, Texas.
What the zip?
I really don't know. Truthfully told, I'm gonna guess it's 77701.
Hey there, sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to take a moment to let you know that TCF is a channel that is 100% human created and human driven. There's so much AI slop out there on YouTube right now, especially in the LawTube space, that I think it's important to point out that every video that we have here on this channel is human created, human curated. We make all the decisions, we do all the editing, it's all us. So if you appreciate that human touch and that human interaction, please do consider subscribing to the channel if you aren't already. Leave us a comment on the video, put a thumbs up. Those things really help us. And if you want even more human interaction, consider joining us for our live show every weekday morning. Okay, sorry to interrupt. Back to the video.
I had to walk all the way here, so I made it my duty to be here as best as I could.
Okay.
But I'm working.
You're charged with burglary of a habitation, a second-degree felony, but it doesn't end there. You have a prior conviction out of 2018 in that court next door for illegal possession of a controlled substance.
Yes, sir.
Which means now that second-degree felony, if you were convicted of this burglary and then it was true that you have this prior conviction, then the punishment range goes up one step from a second degree to a first degree. At first degree, no less than 5 nor more than 99 years confinement in prison or life imprisonment, and a fine up to $10,000. You understand and appreciate the importance of this case and the consequences of what can happen to you.
I understand, sir.
Well, then treat it responsibly. Are you able to hire an attorney?
I had an attorney.
Who?
I didn't really get her name, but she was my attorney, and she was supposed to call my phone. I never got a number, and she never called my phone.
You paid the money to the person?
No, she was a court appointment.
Reagan Benaldi, it's the one that she couldn't be here today.
Okay, Reagan
He
Benaldi.
was unable to reach.
Okay.
Yeah, she never I never received a phone call from her or nothing.
Bonded out, wasn't able to reach you with the information.
No, when I bonded out, I was able to reach her because I had the information. But in the process of me moving, I lost her contact information and
Then she lost yours too, then.
yeah, so it was But I know I was telling her that I'm just currently starting a new job.
Doing what?
Right now I work at Whataburger on College Street, which I work today from 6 to 12. And this weekend I work graveyard shift.
You're working this evening?
Yes, sir. I work
Okay.
this
How much do you make an hour?
I make 11 an hour. I get paid every
Right.
week.
Here's the deal: is you're struggling. Hey, my first page, I was making 80 cents an hour when I went to this. When I was 16
Yes.
at 3 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. When I start saying that, my wife's eyes roll back because I've heard this story before, but that's true. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Yeah.
And you start off and it builds up.
Yeah, that's my whole plan right now is to start off
But let me just say this, I didn't commit crimes. And that gets in the way of any dream you have. That's a good dream, a positive thing, something worthy. Committing crimes trip you over and knock you into the hole. And then you got to dig yourself out, and then you're behind the eight ball.
Yeah, I understand.
And this is a burglary of habitation. You don't, you have no leeway here because of this prior conviction. Any further convictions will automatically put you up to facing life imprisonment.
Yes, sir. That's why right
Well,
now
don't do this.
I'm
Is
really taking the right path, and with the guidance of God Himself and my little support system that I have, I'm actually finally able to take the chance to go down the right path. And like
Well-
I said, I'm working now. I'm on the verge of getting a second job. My apartment just came up, so I'm working on
Okay,
getting
this-
my apartment. And
this happened on February 14th.
yes, sir.
So all of this other stuff has occurred since then. Getting a job, being responsible, and things like that. Why weren't you that way on February 13th, the day before this happened?
I was trying, and I was trying, and I let depression get the best of me at that time. I was going through so much.
It was somebody
and it was
else's-
so much.
It was somebody else's fault that you made a bad choice?
No, sir.
No, you got to take
I
responsibility.
take responsibility.
We'll fix it.
it.
All right, fix it. There is an indigent form here, and it's
Then I'm also currently about to start school back too for my GED.
Maybe
and
it's
also
this.
my CDL.
okay. This shows in this indigent form that you made $291 in food stamps, and that was your only income.
Yeah,
Was that
would be
correct then?
that was correct then. Now it went up to 298 and food stamps. Yeah, and food stamps. And now I'm currently working,
This is-
so I have to report that to the cop office.
Okay, this affidavit is just wasn't completed, and again, the magistrate is responsible for this. You needed to complete that. You didn't sign it under oath, and I'm going to change this. You're making 298 now.
Yes, sir. It's 298 a month for food stamps.
What else is your income? Anything else?
My income, I make right now, I would say, so I would say I bring in
Yeah.
about 350 a week. 350 to 450 a week.
Is that your take home? You would say?
Yeah, somewhere between there, yes, sir.
Okay, so that's
my take home.
that's 1,400 a month.
Yes, sir.
No. Nothing. Anywhere.
And I'm also currently, I have an interview tomorrow for a Jack in the Box, so I should be working a second job pretty soon.
So your monthly income here is going to be 1,698 right now.
I can't, but I do have a similar. I'm working on a case just for that. I mean, always, that's.
Here, look at this, verify it, re-verify it, and if it's true and correct on the second page, your oath right here, signed, defendant's signature, okay? Yes, ma'am.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.